45% of new companies in the US fail within the first 5 years. And here's the surprising part. It's not always because of financial issues. Often it happens because businesses overlook the JTBD, or Jobs to be Done framework. Instead of uncovering jobs customers have, companies build solutions based on assumptions about users' needs. The result? Products that don't meet user expectations. Hi, my name is Alex and welcome to UXtweak's channel. Today we're talking about the JTBD, or Jobs to be Done framework. What are the jobs to be done? How do we identify users' jobs? What research methods should you use? Let's get into it. So, what are the jobs to be done? The Jobs to be Done framework helps understand specific motivations behind the reason customers use products. What are they trying to accomplish? How can a specific product help? By applying the JTBD framework, companies can design solutions that fulfill real customer needs and solve meaningful problems. Imagine a team developing a tracking app for fitness beginners. The team assumes the main user's goal will be to track their workouts and have in-depth training statistics. However, the main goal of their potential users is actually to stay motivated and develop a consistent training routine. This suggests that instead of in-depth training analytics, users would rather have a networking feature where they can share their workouts with other beginners. And they would appreciate motivational notifications from the app. Without the JTBD framework, the team's resources and time would be spent developing unnecessary features. Meanwhile, those that ensure the tool's success among potential users would be overlooked. Now, let's see how you can identify the jobs. The best way to find out is by talking to your current users. Alternatively, if you're still in the prototyping phase, find people who fit your UX persona profile and talk to them. For that, you can conduct user interviews and ask open-ended questions such as, what problem were you trying to solve when you started using the product? Or, what outcome are you hoping to achieve? Another good question is, how did you solve this problem before using our product? It prompts users to share previous workarounds and highlight the main job they tried to complete. By the way, be aware of the bias you may bring when making up interview questions. For writing questions correctly, watch our video guide. The link will appear in the right. Another great practice for identifying users' jobs is to observe their interactions with the product. You can do so either by conducting usability testing or doing field studies. By the way, if you apply the JTBD framework for digital products, we advise using specialized CX and UX tools. For example, UXtweak has advanced functionalities that help optimize user interviews and usability testing on different devices, and we offer in-depth analysis of key research insights. Not everything users communicate during user interviews or usability testing is their job. Let's go over some principles that will help you identify what is a user job versus what is not. There are 4 user principles in the Jobs to be Done framework. The first one is that jobs are stable over time. This means that underlying user goals don't change even when tools and technology evolve. For example, both handwritten letters and instant messages fulfill the job of helping us keep in touch with others. The second principle is that jobs combine functional, social, and emotional aspects. For example, we buy a phone to communicate with others. This is a functional job. However, when choosing the phone, we may buy one of a specific color because it's our favorite. This is an emotional aspect of the job. Choosing a phone from a specific brand would be a social aspect. The third principle is that jobs are related to improvements. This could mean making a task easier, quicker, or more enjoyable. For example, we buy phones instead of writing letters because it makes communication easier and quicker. Finally, jobs are present in a context. A person might handle the same job differently depending on the circumstances. When getting dinner, someone might cook at home on a relaxed evening, but opt for takeout after a long, busy day. The Jobs to Be Done framework is valuable for researchers, designers, and product managers. And the first step in implementing it would be to start collecting user feedback. If you don't have a tool to do that effectively, try UXtweak. We are an all-in-one platform for moderated and unmoderated research, user interviews, and much more. Like and subscribe to watch more videos on all things UX related. See you next time.